सांडगे बिंडगे जोरात आहे भाऊ. काय रे
गाडी आणावं जायचं आपल्याला.
गाडी आणायची?
येस.
कुठली?
प्रिया MAD 3669.
नंबर काय म्हणला? MAD
3669.
भारी आहे.
हां झालंय. किती दिवस मागं लागलो तरी.
काय म्हणले काका?
काका म्हणले जर नीट सांभाळणार असेल तर घेऊन जा.
आणि
काय
बनव बिनव काय?
बनव तेच ना मी काकांना तेच म्हणलं बनवायची गाडी असं. काका म्हणले तुला कशाला पाहिजे पण जुनी स्कूटर.
अच्छा मग
तुला सांगितलं बा नाद आहे थोडासा रेस्टोरेशन वगैरे करेल गाडी नीट ठेवल तुमची काय करणार नाही. काकांना वाटलं ते तोडून रॅक करा टेबल करा असं काहीतरी
माझ्या दुकानात लावण्यासाठी.
स्क्रॅप नाही करणार म्हणलं.
मग बरोबर मेमरी आहे ना शेवटी त्यांची, कष्टाने घेतलेली.
100. तुला सांगतो मी स्टोरी. तिकडे खाली जाऊ गाडी आणायचं.
चालते ठीक आहे. सांडगे कोणाचे आहेत? सांडगे. So welcome back to my channel guys, What Richer Rides and Drives, and here's a khush khabar to everyone who are my subscribers and viewers. So we have Shreyas Dhamdere over here with his Priya. Hi Shreyas. And here's the Priya that is MAD 3669. Nice number and the best condition. Still to be, it should be washed. तो नहा धो के हम ज़रूर आएंगे. और ज़रा निकालो मैट. देखो नाइस फ्लोरिंग बट नीचे से देखते हैं. अरे वाह नीचे की भी बढ़िया है, कोई बात नहीं. तो अभी हम इसको बाहर निकालेंगे आराम से एकदम प्यार से बिना आवाज़ करते हुए. तो भाई साहब तुम अगर निकाल रहे हो और I'll take this camera, I'll remove it for you.
थांब तिथेच थांब.
Okay. So as you can see guys, it is full of dust. There might be some rust. So you have to clean it. No issues, but in original condition. So far, the paint and everything. See the mirror. Stephanie, press the clutch, kick it. No issues. You just have to wash it. Okay. The speedometer is broken, the glass is broken, but it is original. Anyways, is this working? Yes, it is working. So these things have to be seen and checked out before taking any scooter. I am telling you guys, you should go and check the floorings. See, as you can see, there is some rust, but not that much. It is all clean. So we have to do the washing thing. It will start, I guess. Don't just. We'll do some. What do you say? WD-40 is the only solution for that rust thing. Anyways, it is good so far. Now we have to check the tank and fill up some air. Not puncture, I can. हवा गेली असेल. स्टेफनी मग ते असंच दिलेलं आहे. Don't remove that. Let it be. So far all good. So now we'll take this scooter for the washing, but we can't tow it because the amount of air in the rear tire is less in pressure. So you have to push it and go for the washing, or we'll fill up the air. Anyways, see you guys after the washing, or I'll show the washing also. Stay tuned. हे बघ. सो वी आर बैक अगेन. इसका जो क्लच प्लेट है ना वो वर्क नहीं कर रहा है. दैट्स द रीज़न इट्स नॉट गेटिंग किक्ड. ओके, बट यू कैन प्रेस द क्लच, इट विल वर्क. हाँ, द क्लच प्लेट, हाँ, even that is so the use will waste our time over here only. It's better that we keep over here for the timing. Ask him if that person is free or he is having no vehicles to work on it. Then only we can do. So it's better that you take a hold right now. Check for the update from the garage, from Joshi Kaka or like Suresh Kaka. Then only work on it, I'm telling you. So guys,
जोशी काका ने फोन कर.
I'll call. सो यहाँ तक तो लाया है, सब हो गया है, रस्ट नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, बट देर आर फ्यू इश्यूज इन दी इंजन. इवन दिस इज द ओल्ड वन आई गेस. आई हैव नेवर हैड दिस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स
आपसे तो फोन लागत नहीं.
फ्यूल सेवर. ओ माय गॉड, नाइस. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फ्यूल सेवर. यू. सो यस, बट क्या ही बोले, किक तो हो रही नहीं है. तो द इशू इज विद द इंजन आई गेस.
लेट्स चेक विद डॉक्टर्स.
दिस इज द ओरिजिनल वन. यू सी दिस रबर. हे आई गेस सो, एज पर माई नॉलेज. आई डोंट नो अबाउट what the viewers will say, or there are our doctors. Just bang on it. Good. So we'll give you the update, guys. I don't think so today we'll work on it because the people who are working on this scooter are already busy in it.
हा कंप्लीट करायचा असेल
हाँ.
तर अशी स्टोरी बनव की शोधली कशी तू.
हमने कहाँ से ढूंढा
हां
भाई.
तो बेस्ट थिंग इज
nothing. The best thing is we got this scooter over here. Nothing else. तो देखो, हमने तो प्लान किया था पूरा चालू करने का, बट द इंजन हैज सम इश्यूज, लाइक उसका क्लच प्लेट वर्क नहीं कर रहा है. काइंड ऑफ सीज्ड, काइंड ऑफ बोल नहीं सकते क्योंकि बहुत साल वो एक जगह पे ही खड़ी थी. ओपन दिस एंड सी ना, इफ इट इज ओपन.
As far as I remember, it's been there for 8 or 10 years, minimum 8 or 10
Oh,
years.
good. But the condition is still good. But देखो, अगर कुछ चीज़ें यूज़ नहीं किए तो वो रस्ट भी पकड़ लेता है अंदर से, लाइक जैम होता है, पूरा सीज होता है. सो वी हैव टू ओपन द इंजन. So we have to spend some time on the engine.
Let doctors do their work.
Let the doctors do their work. The body is good, no issues.
ज़्यादा खर्चा नहीं.
ज़्यादा खर्चा नहीं है.
इंजन में कम है.
Okay, fine. So here's the update for the day. Stay tuned, guys.
बेकर गोष्ट त्यांना कन्व्हिन्स करायची होती.
What convincing?
The thing is, when we get some vintage bikes, the people love so much about their bike and they have some kind of affection towards their bike. This was the first bike of my friend's dad.
Okay.
And it was so difficult to convince them to give me a bike because it is, see यार, बहुत अभी तो कंडीशन बहुत सही है.
Right.
लोगों को पहले कमाना पड़ता था, फिर इसके लिए प्रिया वॉज द वन स्कूटर as far as I remember, as the uncle told me that they had to wait for it.
Okay.
Waiting period and all the stuff, so it was difficult for them to get, and it was so loved by them, their family. They were the first bike in their family, so it was very difficult to convince them. But as far as they know me, लहानपणापासून आपण त्यांच्यासोबत राहिलो, सो दे इट वॉज लाईक लेके जाओ, तुमको अगर अच्छी रखनी है तो लेके जाओ. इट इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ purchase and
selling it and restoring it and selling it.
It is never been part of that.
It has been a history in their family, right, guys? Like take any vehicle, even in your family.
But 100% will make this bike look so beautiful than the contemporary bikes of a time being.
So, guys, stay with us.
Let's go to doctors. Take this baby to
Hope
doctors.
for the best. And but obvious, we need some doctors. See, Even there is no throttle. We can't use the throttle also because it's totally jammed. Because it was waiting for 10 years, 8, 10 years, yeah, 9 years. We don't know that.
And you remember
But as far as Shreyas knows, it was waiting for
8 to
10
10
years,
years.
max,
100.
max to max,
100.
8 or 10.
Minimum. That's what I remember. Minimum 8 to 10 years I've been seeing this bike over there in that parking. We were kids while we were playing. You can see some stumps marking here. We used to play cricket over here.
So basically, Shreyas is saying in his times when he was young and as a kid, he used to take this scooter as a stump to play the cricket. They used to use it as a stump. So he's saying there were some markings, but I don't. So you see this white stuff, 1, 2, and 3. But see, there must be some memory with this guy also.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
even
my
the
friend is-
owner has the memory with it, so it's better that we restore it and we keep it and we'll show the person. See,
how
like,
we are taking
uncle,
care of
we
the
have
baby.
restored it, we have taken care so far. So when he feel proud or something, he'll love it. I guess if you show him, he'll say that, give me back my scooter. So
ऐसा कैसा चलेगा अंकल पण
definitely we'll show
आणि
it.
ही गाडी दिस बाईक बनायच्या आधी पण आपली मेमरीज स्ट्रॉंग आहे. दीड महिना मी यांच्या मागे पळालो. दीड
Right.
1.5 months or 2 months. I was calling them continuously, irritating them to give me the bike. They have given me. So now it's my responsibility to take care of her. We will definitely.
Fine.
प्रिया, किती दिवस झाले शोधत होतो रे आपण?
And as far as I can see, there is Suzuki Max 100 without engine.
Yeah.
This guy dismantled the engine
I was
from
kid
the
and-
chassis.
So this is also an example of my obsession. I was kid and I didn't know anything, one
Right.
single thing. That time I opened this engine and I couldn't fix it back. So it had to go to, but I still.
So you know a part of, like as we say in Hindi or Marathi, एक किडा असतो ना,
हो 100%.
तो किडा होता
100%.
आणि खोललं इंजिन
हा. पण मला काहीच नीट नाही.
आणि लिटरली यू नो गाईज इंजिन खोललं भाईनी, नो इश्यूज खोलल्याबद्दल, बट ते ठेवलं बी नाही नीट, चोरीला गेलं, लिटरली भंगारवाल्यांनी चोरून नेलं. So now we are searching Shaolin's or Shogun's engine for this Max 100.
This
But
will
it
be
is
also restored 100%. We'll be taking care of this baby also because my dad had some memory with this. This modification is not original Suzuki tank. It has been done by my dad.
so the spelling
dad
is also
modified
wrong.
this. Yeah.
Suzuki, no, Suzuki.
It is
right.
Suzuki. It is Suzuki.
The K looks like H.
This is the eagle sticker I custom made by my dad.
Okay.
He also has some kid of restoration and modification. That time this is also my work. I had one axis.
Scooter. Shut up.
Vespa पण आहे.
So this is the
We have been-
repainted Vespa. It was not in good
Yeah,
condition.
From lockdown we have kept it like scrap. My sister
So now-
use it very well.
It is going so far good, but I didn't love the paint because the paint finish is not that good. Even he has the same opinion, right?
Yep.
So the paint finish is not that good, as you can see.
It looks beautiful. Paint is so beautiful, but the work.
The color is beautiful, but the work has not been done properly on it.
Yep. You could
So
find
far.
some good painter for this one.
So guys,
Stay
we'll
tuned.
surely update regarding our Bajaj Priya, that is MAD 3669. Now the owner is Shreyas Damdere. So stay tuned guys.
Keep at it.
Please subscribe our channel, like our videos, and
share,
please
and
share
subscribe.
our channel to our friends, to our relatives, or to someone who loves scooter and who is interested in coming in. And by the
And
way, we
somebody-
also have a Instagram page. Recently we just opened a new page called
Pune Scooter Gang.
Pune Scooter Gang. So there were many scooter clubs, Pune Scooter Club and Bombay Scooter Club, but they were in Bombay. But Pune had many.
We are the only ones.
So we are the only ones, that is Pune Scooter Gang. Okay guys, so please do follow us on Instagram, Pune_scooter_gang. So you'll find it on the Instagram also. So stay tuned, guys. Love you all. Take care. Yes.